Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your email address and your password and you will be logged in. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your password, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into the account page. Now tap on the edit icon alongside your username and you will be taken into your account settings. Now within this page, just tap on the edit button alongside your password and you will be allowed to change your password right from within this page. Type in your current password that you have used while logging in within the current password box and then enter your desired new password underneath within the create a new password section. After entering both your current and your desired new password, tap on the save changes button at the bottom section and your password will immediately be changed on your Splitwise account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.